Shaq Talk Stocks. You back another day, another video. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin was actually created in 2013 as a joke, so-called, and now it's going crazy. Also, the reason I'm making a how-to video today on where to buy Dogecoin and some of the sites is because I actually thought you could buy it on Coinbase, and you actually can't. So, scratch that. If you got Coinbase, you got to find somewhere else to buy it. Now, why would you want to buy it? You want to buy Dogecoin this week or before the 8th, I would say, because Elon Musk, he's about to get ready to host Saturday Night Live, SNL, and just the pure speculations of him being on there has already risen Dogecoin's value by probably like 30%. Right now it's at like 62 cents per coin, and it's projected to raise after his appearances on there, because in theory, what it is if he mentions the coin on national TV, it's going to boost the price because, like we know, celebrities always boost the price of the coin. He got it this far by mentioning it on Twitter. So now that he's about to have a live TV debut, you can only imagine what's about to happen to the price. Now, my thing is, do I think Dogecoin is going to go far? I don't know. But if you want a person that want to put 1,000 in for a quick flip, once it jumps from like 62 cents to like $3, I wouldn't be mad at you. It's a quick flip for me in that regard. It's almost like trading. So where to buy Dogecoin? Robinhood, Binance, and others. So Dogecoin, listed as DOGE on crypto markets, can be purchased using various cryptocurrency platforms. Some of these cryptocurrency platforms, including, let's just get to the meat and potatoes of all this, man. Robinhood, commission-free stock trading app, allows users to buy, sell Dogecoin and several other cryptocurrencies. Robinhood is not a member of the SIPC, the Security Investor Protection Corporation, or Financial Industry Regulation Authority. So you get into some janky stuff. Just know Robinhood also sells data, so just know before you sign up. Also, like, this is a beginner crypto guide, so don't take it too serious if you're already in the community. Cryptos are not stocks, and crypto investments are not protected, so you can lose them. You also want to get a crypto wallet, all right? Binance, that's another one. So according to Binance website, it's a sell cryptocurrency quickly using a streamlined buy and sell process. So check out Binance. Where else can you buy the crypto? It's a long article. It's not even all okay. So Kraken, I didn't know about this one, so we're just putting you up on game. Kraken, the crypto exchange platform, claims it offers the lowest fees in the industry and constantly rated as one of the most secure and trusted crypto exchanges. I might check that out. So Kraken, the company says Kraken. I like the name. It's secure, but it's safest to store your Doge in a wallet, a software or a hard wallet. That's like a USB type of drive. Also Bittrex. Check out Bittrex. You can buy it there. So I just gave you about 4 places where you can buy Dogecoin before SNL debut. How much are you buying if you're going to buy it? Let me know. Shaq Talk Stocks. Leave it in the comments below, and I will see you guys in another video.